11 Tips to plan your kitchen storage for maximum efficiency. Dear friends, kitchens are called upon to store everything from food and cooking equipment to pots, pans, small appliances, and many more. For an effective kitchen storage solution, it is most important to be organized and have a place for everything you want in your dream kitchen. Before you start your hunt for kitchen storage solutions, make a list of what you need to store. You may have more or less stuff. Before planning any storage, think about how you use the kitchen and what you need from it. The following are the tips that should be kept in mind before you plan kitchen storage in your kitchen. 1. Be realistic. Fitting lots of storage into a kitchen is a sensible goal, but make sure you don't end up having an overcrowded space. Think about how you are able to move around your kitchen to carry out different activities. Be realistic about what you fit in. If you are spending money on a new kitchen, you don't want a design that you can't move around easily or a space that looks crowded and overstuffed. 2. Calculate your kitchen space. Every kitchen is different, as it depends on the needs of the people using it, but all the kitchens will require a certain amount of storage. Calculate how much storage you required under and above the counter along with a tall larder. A tall larder is really helpful for storing fresh food, also by adding cutlery drawers and pan drawers. That's a good place to start. 3. Above and below the counter. For a perfect kitchen, there should be adequate storage space in the kitchen which can be provided both above and below the counter. Decide where you want a drawer and shutter. Although cabinets often cost less than drawers, architects and interior designers all agree that deep and wide drawers tend to be more useful and comfortable. They allow you to use the entire depth of space. It is good to have a mix of both drawers and shutters. If you are remodeling, consider how you can change the layout to add more kitchen storage cabinets. 4. Easily seen, cleaned and grasped. There should be sufficient space such that stored items can be easily seen, grasped, reached, taken down, and put back without any strain. This can be easily achieved by having pull-out shelves, sliding trays, etc. 5. Make it flexible. Your kitchen storage space should be flexible enough to permit the arrangement of different size storage containers for different items, which can be achieved by having adjustable shelves. 6. Kitchen items, easily accessible. Make sure that your crockery, utensils, food items, etc. are stored close to your all work centers and easily accessible. 7. Aesthetic of kitchen. For an elegant view of your kitchen, the unattractive items can be stored within solid shutters, while the attractive or designer crockeryware will be displayed and stored within glazed shutters, so that they are easily visible, and makes your room look lighter. 8. Overhead kitchen storage cabinet depth. Overhead kitchen storage cabinet depth should not exceed to 0.35 meters to prevent your head while cooking. 9. Height between countertop and overhead cabinet. The minimum height between the countertop and overhead kitchen storage cabinet should be between 0.45 meters to 0.60 meters, which are allowed for easy working and prevent you while cooking. 10. Avoid storage over stove. It is advisable not to provide storage over a stove. There is the possibility to get damaged due to constant heat rises while cooking. Instead, there should be the provision of a chimney hood above the stove at a minimum height of 0.75 meters. 11. Human height accessible. Plan kitchen storage such that the woman should be able to reach overhead storage containers with a maximum height of 2.00 meters above the floor. If your overhead cabinet height is more, then it would be inconvenient and need a ladder or stool to reach, and sometimes that can cause small accidents. Hope these tips are enough to start planning on your kitchen storage. Share your experiences and ideas on kitchen storage solutions in the comments below. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For getting more useful and interesting information, subscribe to Engineer AJ Laud's channel How to Make My House.